What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Tundra compilation here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. If you're a fan of the 22 Tundra, then you've come to the right place. We're going to start off with this one today with our front strut spacer and rear lift spring setup. We're doing some new wheels and 35-inch tires as well, so keep on watching to see what we do. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description below. The customer decided to go with a set of black Rhino Sandstorm wheels on here. This is an 18 by 8.5 with the zero offset that we wrapped up in a 35 12.5 18 Toyota Open Country RT tire. And here's a facelifted second-gen Tundra that we're just going to throw in here just because it's on the rack at the same time that we're doing all the other 22 Tundras. You guys don't mind seeing them, right? So here's a quick rollout and test drive of the limited model Trd Offroad 4x4 Tundra that we just did. Back over to the second gen, we've installed an Icon lift setup on this one. 2.5 IR front coilovers adjusted to about 3 inches of lift with the Icon tubular delta joint upper control arms. Our body mount chop you see right there to clear some 35s easily. The rear end gets our adjustable lift shackles and 2.0 Icon shocks. If you guys are new to the channel and like what you're seeing here, please consider subscribing. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're doing the Feel Vectors in an 18 by 9 and we're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5 18 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. Here at 88 Rotors, we stock all major name brand parts, including wheels, tires, lifts, and off-road accessories. So what do you guys like more, the second generation Tundra or the third generation? Drop a comment down below and let us know why. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. We post daily on there, on our feed, stories, and reels. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have a cool blue-colored 2022 Tundra. We're doing a Westcott lift kit on this one. Here you can see the preload collar installed on the front shock. This 22 Tundra is equipped with the AVS suspension package that comes with the rear airbag system. To lift the rear end on this one, we've installed a new pair of link brackets. The Westcott lift kit also comes with the front bump stop extension spacers. The rear also gets some shock spacers. For the wheels and tires on this one, the owner decided to go with some Method MR312s. These come in an 18 by 9 with a plus 18 offset. We also wrap it up in a 35 12.5 18 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. We stock and have sitting on the shelf all different variations and models of the 22 Tundra Westcott Designs Lift Kits. If you're looking to get this done to your 2022 Tundra, make sure to give us a call or message us through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. The new lift, wheels, and tires are now on. We brought the vehicle back down to the ground and we're gonna let the system recalibrate itself for the air suspension. We're then gonna bring it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to our customer. Want some king shocks for your 2022 Tundra? We have a large order coming in. If you want to get a set reserved for yourself, give us a call today. Next up, we have this white colored 22 Tundra. This is a limited model Trd Offroad 4x4. We're installing a Westcott Designs Lift Kit on this one also, with the same wheels and tires as we did on the blue one just earlier. Once the vehicle goes up on the rack, our tire guys remove the stock wheels and tires to pull out the factory TPMS to swap over to the new wheels and tires. Our suspension techs are working on the rear end, adding the rear coil spacer that you see right here. A spacer is also added at the top of the shock. A crucial part of the install process is making sure that the rear spring is seated properly. The new wheels and tires have been mounted and balanced and installed onto the vehicle. These are the Method MR312s in an 18x9 with a plus 18 offset. Tires here are the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2s in a 35 12.5 18. Now swing over to the front end. Our techs have installed the preload collar and the upper shim. We've also installed the spacer for the bump stop. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video, and if you did so, please make sure to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And this is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. We hope that you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post a new cool video. Until then, take care, guys.